Hello, I'm Kavia from Metbo Production. Are you ready for your new season's apparel? Today I would like to tell something about how Metbo's sample process going. We have worked with many independent brands and also startups clothing brands. Metbo provides end-to-end solutions for all your needs in setting up a new brand or developing your current one. We are one of the leading fashion consulting firms in the country with experience in catapulting fashion brands to soar to new heights of success. For example, Metbo has two different ways can offer you. Custom item, 100% customized, pre-made in-stock item. Below, I will tell in detail these two processes of items. Process for custom item. This item is if client wants a 100% customized style from the fabric, measurement, and technique, all can go through the process by yourself. First step, send styles for quotation. If you have tag pad, sketch, or mock-up, the representative who we arranged for you will start giving quotation. These are very important because the sample fee depends on your design. Second step, place a sample order. After confirming the quotation and solving any questions like MOQ, turnover time, shipping, etc., client can place sample order. Then we start making sample document. Further step, send details and requests. For customized clothing, we need to confirm many details, so we need you to send all the details and documents you have. For example, the composition, requirements of the fabric, the location, size and vector, drawing of the pattern, even the sample size you want. Fourth step, source for fabric and trims. Clients can choose the GSM and composition, appearance, color, etc. of the fabric they want from the videos and pictures we send. If the clothing production contains special accessories, we will also go to source them. For example, bottoms and zippers that require matching colors or have requirements for patterns, shapes, and size. Fifth step, confirmation of all details and start the samples production. Confirm all the details with the customer again to ensure that the customer clearly knows that we have prepared the details he wants, and then we can start production. Of course, during the process, we will also share the process of the production through videos or photos from time to time, such as completing printing or embroidery and waiting for sewing. Sixth step, ship our samples, confirm samples and place bulk order production. Ship the finished samples to client, who then confirms the quality of the clothes and starts communicating to place bulk order. Process for pre-made in-stock item. Compared with 100% customized clothes, the sample fee for this item is not that expensive because the in-stock clothes are already priced, which does not need the cost of separately purchased fabrics, clothing cutting, and production, etc. And if client is making bulk order, there is no MOQ for this item. We will make as many pieces as you buy on our website. The whole process, first step, select an in-stock item you like from our website, metboproduction.com. We have different types of brand clothing like t-shirt, hoodie, or crew neck. On each product page, we have detailed dimensions, detailed pictures, fabric composition, and GSM. Second step, place a sample order. After selecting the style, you can place an order on the website. We will also arrange a manager for you, and you can also place an order directly with the manager. Further step, send us your design file. Let us know what do you want to add on our basic style. There will be size restrictions regarding the technique of finished garments because the garment manufacturing process is difficult to lay out perfectly like clothes piece, so the range of craftsmanship that can be done will be smaller. This is also one of the things that distinguish in-stock products from full customization. You cannot adjust the pattern to any size and view. Fourth step, start the samples production, then we ship our samples and the client confirms samples. And fifth step, if everything is going good, client can place bulk order production. Two different items with different MOQs and different production costs. For some startup brands, they can solve the budget problem very well. For our in-stock products, there is no need to worry about quality issues. If your design styles is simple, you can try this process and save costs. If you have a novel design and want to create a piece of clothing with your own brand characteristics, try the 100% customization process. We will also gladly let you participate in the entire production process, let you to feel the realistic joy of designing your own style. Are you ready for the clothing styles of 2024? take action and contact us via Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, or email. We can make your clothes.